9 proven ways to strengthen your relationship. Love is not just about finding the right person, it's about building the right connection, one moment, one choice, one loving action at a time. No relationship is perfect, but every relationship has the potential to grow stronger if we're willing to nurture it. Welcome to Pillow Talk Central, where we dive deep into the heart of love, connection, and emotional growth. Today, I'll be sharing 9 proven ways to strengthen your relationship no matter where you are in your love journey. These are not just tips, they are truths. They're the building blocks of lasting love. Let's begin. Number 1. Communicate not just to talk, but to understand. True communication isn't just about words. It's about listening with your heart. Ask each other meaningful questions. Don't just talk, connect. Share your fears, your dreams, your disappointments. Let your partner feel safe being vulnerable with you. Number 2. Learn their love language and speak it often. Not everyone gives and receives love the same way. Maybe your partner values quality time, while you prefer words of affirmation. When you learn to love them their way, it tells them, I see you. I value you. Number 3. Never stop dating each other. No matter how long you've been together, keep the spark alive. Surprise them. Plan a date. Leave a love note. Laugh together like it's your first month, even if it's been 10 years. Number 4. Fight fair and with love. Disagreements will happen, but how you fight matters. Avoid insults. Avoid bringing up the past. Don't try to win, try to understand. Number 5. Practice forgiveness and let go. You will hurt each other not always intentionally, but it happens. Strong couples forgive, not because they forget, but because they value love more than pride. Number 6. Support each other's growth. Your partner isn't just your lover. They're a human being with dreams, challenges, and evolving needs. Cheer them on. Celebrate their wins. Be their biggest fan, not their biggest critic. Number 7. Be present, especially in the little moments. It's easy to get caught up in work, stress, and distractions. But the quiet moments, cooking together, talking before bed, laughing at nothing, those are where love deepens. Number 8. Keep the friendship alive. Before you were lovers, you were friends. Don't lose that. Be silly. Joke. Tease. Comfort. Listen. Be someone your partner wants to come home to, not just someone they have to. Number 9. Choose each other every day. Love is not a one-time decision. It's a daily choice. Even on the hard days, especially on the hard days. Wake up and choose to stay. Choose to try. Choose to love again and again. Relationships don't just survive on love, they thrive on intentionality, respect, forgiveness, and daily care. If you've made it this far, remember this. Your relationship has the potential to be something extraordinary, not because it's perfect, but because you're both willing to put in the work. And that effort, that choice to love stronger, is what makes it beautiful. Now we want to hear from you. What's one thing you do in your relationship to keep the love strong? Share it in the comments below. Your wisdom could help someone else. If this video touched your heart or gave you clarity, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. We post new love and relationship content every single day here on Pillow Talk Central. Because here, we don't just talk about love, we help you grow it. Thank you for watching. Stay in love, stay intentional, and remember, love always wins when you choose it daily.